First of all, go to the video description and click on the link. As soon as you click the link, the official website of Hostinger will open on your screen. Now from the top menu, go to the services option. After clicking on services, you will see an option email marketing with Hostinger. Simply click on it. Once you click on it, you will see a claim deal button. After clicking on claim deal, different email marketing plans will appear on your screen. If you look at the plans, you will notice that the third plan is completely free for 1 year. With this free plan, you can send up to 200 emails per month, and it is totally free from Hostinger. To continue, simply select the free plan. After selecting the plan, you will need to create your account. Enter your email address, create a strong password, and then click on Start Free Trial. Once your account is created, you will be redirected to the Hostinger dashboard. From there, you can easily start using the Hostinger email marketing tools and send emails for free.